Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to evaluate mobile banking features on Nerdwallet. Choosing a bank today isn't just about rates and fees, it's about the tech. So here's how to evaluate mobile banking features so that your banking experience stays fast, simple, and of course secure. Let's get into it. So first step is to identify your priorities. Are you looking for mobile check deposits, budgeting tools, real-time transaction alerts? Before comparing banks, list the features that matters most to you. Step 2, use Nerdwallet's bank comparison tool. Now Nerdwallet's banking reviews highlights apps, features, easy to use, and app store rating. This gives you a clear sense of each bank's mobile strengths and weaknesses. Step 3 is to look for key mobile features. So top rated app usually offers mobile check deposits, instant card lock or unlock, real-time alerts, bill pay, peer-to-peer transfers, and of course spending analysis and budgeting tools. Step 4, read user reviews and Nerdwallet's ratings. Go beyond the bank's marketing. Nerdwallet includes verified user feedbacks, security evaluations, and comparisons with competitors, giving you, of course, a complete picture. Step 5, test the app yourself if possible. Now, some banks let you preview the app before opening an account. If not, you can just check screenshots and app demo videos on Nerdwallet or app stores. Your bank app is like your financial command center. Nerdwallet helps you to find one that doesn't just work but works for you. Make sure that your next bank comes with a top-tier mobile experience. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.